Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll down to the display section and scroll all the way down to screen record section and you'll see here record touch point switcher. Just to switch on or switch off just our touches in screen recording, we should click on the switcher. Also we get one more way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. First we should open the notification panel shortcuts and we should find screen record icon. Hold for a while this like icon and you'll launch the same screen recording settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.